So the bunnies, they're back and they're dying. The current bunny population in the city is 5,000, but they're decreasing by 15% each month. Now we got to think about this. You lose 15% on a test, not too bad. Proud of you. 100% minus 15%. If that's what you're missing, you're left with an 85% on the test, which is a great score. I'm very proud of you. But how do you write that as a decimal? Well, as a decimal, 85%, which is what's left after you're removing 15%, is 0.85, and that is the multiplier. Okay, that's kind of the thought process you got to go through when you are when you're decreasing by a percentage. 15%. A lot of people are going to want to use 15% as their multiplier, but notice if you say 15% is your multiplier, then that means you're actually losing 85%. If you're decreasing from 100% by 15%, you want to be left with 85% every time you multiply. So our 5,000 is here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you here on this the glory and amazement of these calculators. Times 0.85, enter. So that's at 20 or 4250. Now if I say times 0.85 again and again, it automatically brings up the previous answer. Enter, enter, enter. And it'll take that and give us those three numbers. Now, can I see that? Yes, there we go. So, 36, 12.5, 3070.625, and 2610.03, 125. Okay, that's what we're looking at. So write an equation to express the number of bunny survivors each month. Bunny survivors. This is the number of bunnies that are left after 4 months. Okay, so T of n equals 5,000 times 0.85 raised to the nth power. And that right there is the equation we're looking at. According to this pattern, what's the bunny population in August? Well, August, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. That's 6 months after that. So it's a total of 10 months down the road. So if I use that equation, I can either say, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or I can plug in 5,000 times 0.85 raised to the 10th power. Bada bing, bada boom. Check that out. Okay, either one works. 98 or 984.37. So, in reality, what we may want to consider, if that's hardly a bunny right there, or maybe it's just hanging on by a thread. So your better answer is probably 984 bunnies. How many bunnies will be present in exactly 1 year? Same thing, but different. 12. 711 bunnies. 0.2. But, really, 711 live bunnies. How long will it take the bunny population to drop below 100? Well, that's going to take some doing. We said that's 12. Oh, my goodness. 30, 40, 50.
Just a friendly reminder, I'm missing some attendance. Please make sure
that was 12,
attendance has been posted for today.
14, 15, 16, 17,
Once
18,
again,
19,
please
20,
make
21,
sure that
22,
you have
23,
posted all
24,
of your attendance for today.
25.
Thank you.
It took 25 months for it to fall below. And when will the population be eliminated entirely? Never. Okay, never is the answer that there will be portions of bunnies somehow running around. But if you talk about live bunnies, what do we say? That's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, or 53. You didn't know that 53 was practically never, did you? But we'll get into that later. There's got to be a better way, and we will show you that way eventually.